Dear students, welcome back to Aditya Educam. Today we will discuss about the last 10 years repeated general knowledge questions for NTPC and RRB exams. So students, are you ready to start? Let's start. The first question of this session is: the international township built near Pondicherry in India in collaboration with UNESCO is called. Options are: option A, Broadway, option B, Guyville, option C, Elvaville, या option D, Auroville. And the right answer is option D, Auroville. Next, move to question number 2. India is not a member of. Options are: option A, G20, B, G8, C, SAARC, option D, UN. And the right answer is option B, G8. Next, move to question number 3. The office of the UN General Assembly is in. Options are: option A, New York, B, Zurich, C, Vienna, या D, Paris. And the right answer is option A, New York. Next, move to our question number 4. The Vice President India is to inaugurate the Center of Excellence for Studies of which Indian language in Nellore? Options are: option A, Telugu, B, Tamil, C, Malayalam, या D, Kannada. And the right answer is option A, Telugu. Next, move to our question number 5. Which Asian country has declared a state of emergency over coronavirus? Options are: A, Thailand, B, Malaysia, C, China, या D, Japan. And the right answer is option D, Japan. Next, move to question number 6. Which Indian wrestler was recently inducted in the government's All India Council of Sports AICS? And the options are: A, Deepak Punia, B, Yogeshwar Datta, C, Sushil Kumar, या D, Bajrang Punia. And the right answer is option B, Yogeshwar Datta. Next, move to question number 7. What is the name of the first indigenous testing kit for the COVID-19 in India which was launched at Pune? Options are: A, COVID Detect, B, India Detect, C, Pathao Detect, या D, MyLab Detect. And the right answer is option C, Patho Detect. Next, move to question number 8. The first edition of Krishi Manthan Summit is being held in which state? Options are: option A, Gujarat, B, Madhya Pradesh, C, Sikkim, या D, Uttarakhand. And the right answer is option A, Gujarat. Next, move to question number 9. Which city is host to the National Exhibition of Art organized by the Lalit Kala Academy? Options are: A, Jaipur, B, New Delhi, C, Kolkata, या D, Mumbai. And the right answer is option B, New Delhi. Next, move to question number 10. Which country has recently banned China's Huawei and ZTE in its 5G network? Options are: A, India, B, Denmark, C, Germany, or D, Sweden. And the right answer is option D, Sweden. Dear students, if you like the videos, please do like. If you still not subscribe Aditya Educam, please do subscribe. Aditya Educam always provides the general knowledge and general studies in English and Hindi. And today we will discuss about the last 10 years repeated general knowledge questions for NTPC and RRB exams. So students, stay tuned with Aditya Educam. Next, move to our question number 11. Dharmachakra Pravartana is a famous celebration of which religion? Options A. Buddhism, B. Hinduism, C. Jainism, या D. Sikhism. And the right answer is options A. Buddhism. Next, move to question number 12. Tat Tvam Asi, a Sanskrit phrase, originally occurs in which of the following Upanishads? Options are A. Chandogya Upanishad, B. Mundaka Upanishad, C. Brahadaranayak Upanishad, या D. Mundakya Upanishad. And the right answer is options A. Chandogya Upanishad. Next, move to question number 13. Sangai festival is celebrated in which among the following states of India? Options are A. Meghalaya, B. Tripura, C. Manipur, या D. Mizoram. And the right answer is option C. Manipur. Next, move to question number 14. Brihan Mimamsa was written by which of the following? Options are A. Bhaskaracharya, B. Nagarjuna, C. Manu, या D. Balabhadra. And the right answer is option C. Manu. Next, move to question number 15. In which year Dadasaheb Phalke Award was instituted? Options are option A 1972, B 1969, C 1967, या D 1963. And the right answer is option B 1969. Next, move to question number 16. The famous Navakalevar festival belongs to which of the following states? Options are A. Rajasthan, B. Odisha, C. Punjab, या D. Gujarat. And the right answer is option B. Odisha. Next, we move to question number 17. Who has clinched the 2017 Women's Singles India Super Series tournament? And the options are A. PV Sandhu, B. Sung Ji Hyun, C. Saina Nehwal, या D. Carolina Marin. And the right answer is option A. PV Sandhu. Next, move to question number 18. Which country will become the world's first country to neutralize gender pay gap? Options are A. Denmark, B. Finland, C. Thailand, या D. Iceland. And the right answer is option D. Iceland. Next, move to question number 19. The UN Chinese Language Day is observed in which date? And the options are A. April 15, B. April 20, C. April 22, या D. April 29. And the right answer is option B. April 20. Next, move to question number 20. Which state government has launched Kilkari app to create the awareness among the pregnant women? And the options are option A. Punjab, B. Haryana, C. Gujarat, या D. Rajasthan. And the right answer is option B. Haryana. So students, this is all the 20 questions for repeated last 10 years general knowledge question for NTPC and RRB exams. Hope you all enjoy. If you like this video, please do like. Still not subscribe Aditya Educam, please do subscribe, share within your friends. Next we will meet another episode. Till then, bye bye and take care.